Okay, welcome back. So here we are on part 2 of my Waypoints jQuery demo. We have a sticky nav that unsticks when we scroll back down. We're not going to worry about this height thing. We'll just, whatever, do that later. But what I want to do is I want to change the active state of these navs when I reach each point in the scroll. So let us go back. First, I want to remove this active class so that they're all inactive. Or actually, I suppose squirrels should be active at first because we're sort of, that's where we are. Ground scores, active. No. Okay. Squirrels is active. So once I hit peanut butter, then I should deactivate squirrels and activate peanut butter. So they all have IDs. So I can say when the squirrel's waypoint happens, do some stuff. So let's add a new waypoint. Okay, var squirrels. And then equals, I'm like trying to think if there's a way to do this more globally while I'm typing. We'll see. Okay, so we'll just do it this way first, and then I'll think about a better way. So now I have squirrels, and then now I can say squirrels dot waypoint function parentheses curly bracket, open the curly bracket, and then I want to say basically oh, now I need to go to the nav. So when that waypoint hits, I want to go to the nav and add a class. So here's my nav. My class, I have a class of squirrels. So I'm going to say, right, I want to do not squirrels, but nut butter. Okay. Don't really need this one right now. We'll start with nut butter. Sorry. Okay, nut butter. And then I actually want another var for nut butter nav. And I want it to equal dot nut butter, not butter. Okay, so when I reach the squirrel's waypoint, the nut butter waypoint, I'm just going to do jQuery. This is just extra lines of code. I want to find, I want to say, hey jQuery, find nut butter, and I want to add the class active. And I want to remove the class. I want you to find the squirrels, squirrels nav, squirrels class, and I want you to remove the class. Look, I did it again. Did you see that? I put the dot active. So there's a better way to do this. So we'll do this first. So here I go. I'm at the top of the page. I'm refreshing. I'm scrolling up. I'm sticking. Now, hopefully, peanut butter shows up. Nothing. Oh, see that? So it does show up, but it's when it reaches the top. So this is where the offset comes in handy. So we're going to say comma offset equals, I don't know, let's do 50% and see what we think about that. Okay, offset, oh, is an object, so it needs to be in curly brackets. Okay, refresh. Squirrels is active, squirrel, peanut butter. butter. I want it to be like 90%. It's like pretty much on the bottom of the page. Squirrel, squirrel, squirrels. Okay, peanut butter. I like that better. Yep. Okay, so the better way to do this is we can say if it is not this, then remove class. So what I want to do is I want to look up JQuery not this. Okay, not. So not. Okay, not even. Right, so I want to say find the nav bar. Let's see if I can do this. So it's got to be like, we'll just do nav. In the nav, not, and not this thing, remove class active. Right, so I'm just using the HTML nav. I could very easily have used the .nav class. Nav bar, yeah, I would rather do this because it's closer. So look in the nav, find something that is not this thing that we're waypointing right now. And the way I need to check this actually is by putting an active class on more than the one. So I'll put it on pmail, and then let's give it a whirl. So I'm at the top, I refresh. Okay, squirrels and pmail are active. So when I reach peanut butter, then the only thing that should be active is peanut butter. Didn't work. Hooray! This, not this, not this, not this. No, not this, not what? Not this. Oh, Seth, I know you're watching this. You're going, no, not, okay. Paragraph, not. I have to pause. I'll be right back. Okay, I think I know what I need to do. I think all of these, it's not close enough. Like, so it has to be all the A's that are inside nav. So that's basically, so find all the A's inside nav, and if they're not the current one, which is this nut butter one, then remove the class active. I think that will work. Not this waypoint. Let's try it. That's the waypoint. Not. It's going to have to be not this. Not better. I can't use this. Let's try this. Okay. Yay! That did it. Okay. So there will have to be a waypoint for each one, but you can do basically not the class that it's on. It's got to find the class to add or remove a class, basically. So then you can do this for the rest of them. So copy that. So one for ground scores and one for pmail. So pmail, ground scores. Scores. Pmail. All right, I think that is that. Scroll to the top. Brush. Oh, I should get rid of that active class. Okay, so peanut butter, ground scores. Oh, P-mail. Okay. So then I would just have to, in the nav, get rid of that active, let it get added by JQuery. The thing that's driving me crazy is this header has a margin on top, which is adding that extra white space. So if I inspect it, my face is in the way. Get out of the way, face. H1, and then H1, right? Oh, font size, yeah, margin block start. Yeah, so I could just say margin top 0 for that H1. Oops, margin, yeah, margin top. So, the other thing that's happening is that squirrels, peanut butter, I'm not going back to squirrels. And so that becomes basically what we did before, which is doing the if else. I want to figure out a way to make that easier. So I'm going to pause and think about it. But here is part 2. Woohoo! Thank you for listening.